Tim Anderson. I'm the chef at Nanban in Brixton. We are a Japanese soul food restaurant. We mainly do traditional Japanese food, but we incorporate flavors from Brixton Market. So everything has a bit of an unusual twist here. We may start with a basic ramen and start to incorporate different kinds of cuisines or different dishes into that. So for example, one of our classic sort of signature dishes is the curry goat ramen. But we still use a lot for Brixton Market in that dish. It's got Scotch bonnet pickled bamboo shoots, which is something that we really love here and kind of put it on everything. Another thing that we do is korokke, which are Japanese potato croquettes, but we incorporate ackee and saltfish. We have a tempura dish, which changes every day based on what's available in the market. A lot of kombu seaweed, we use a lot of shiitake mushrooms, we use a lot of katsuobushi tuna flakes. You won't find many Japanese kitchens that have as many spices as we do. Our shelves are packed with cumin and cardamom and star anise and cinnamon and coriander seeds. We love big flavors, and it doesn't matter sort of where they come from as long as they work in a Japanese format, and it's good for drinking. That's the other thing. This is an izakaya. We want people to have some beers, have some sake, and have a good time.